Welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I bid on plants on eBay. From time to time, I will look for deals on eBay, and sometimes it's just something that I cannot resist. Today I received a package from a seller in Colorado. Dirt Cheap Tropicals. Please check out their listing on eBay. The plant was shipped through USPS and the plant was packaged perfectly. This is a small and fragile plant, but the seller wrapped them carefully. Our temperature went up to 99 degrees today, which I'm kind of worried the plant's gonna get burned, but looks like it survived. So ladies and gentlemen, I would like to present you my wishlist plant this year, Begonia Galaxy Ginny Variegated. The plant is still small, but check out this unfurled, highly variegated leaf with green and cream color. The plant came in soil, but the seller has done a very good job at keeping the soil together and separate it from the packaging. I cannot wait for this variegated leaf to be fully unfurled and getting larger in my collection. So what is your wish list plan this year? Please write down your comments. And if you haven't done already, please like and subscribe to this channel to see more plant related videos. I'll see you soon.